Alright, welcome to the unboxing of a new Pixel Pro. This is the Sunny Yellow. It's the last one available in Queensland, Australia. Just got it on pre-purchase, and let's go for the unboxing. So, very thin box because, as you probably know, they don't come with the charging brick anymore. So yeah, let's have a look at it and let's be sunny about this Sunny Yellow. Nice thing now is there's these tabs, so you don't have to worry about knives or anything anymore. Just grab those tabs, rip them down, throw them away, and let's see what we've got. So very nice. So that's the Sunny Yellow in the Pixel Pro. So it's quite a big phone. And then let's set everything aside. Big thing, no charging brick, so you're going to have to get one of those if you don't have one. USB-C to USB-C cable, USB-C to USB to change over your data if you want to do that, or for charging. Your little instructions, and yep, on the back is the Google little pin to change your SIM card over. So I'll put that out because I will need that later on. So probably leave that out. I probably won't need this at the minute. So let's just put the box away. But yeah, very thin box for a quite an expensive phone, premium phone. But yeah, the new thing we get without those bricks. So let's have a look at the phone. So yeah, quite a cool color, and probably a difference here is the accents are all in silver. So let's just unzip this. Always very satisfactory. So yeah, there's a SIM card tray down the bottom. Quite a pronounced, can you see that? The little lip there, quite pronounced. But it's got, this is a bit different from the Pro and even the Stormy Black one. This one, the sides are silver. It's a silver metal. It's not been coated in matte. Got your power button, volume button, and can you see the 3 cameras in there? And yeah, I'm quite amazed at how big that the lip is there on the camera. But when you set it down, because it's all the way across, it's not rocky at all. But also, can you see it's got the steel protrudes just a little bit to try and save that lens. So it just protrudes a bit there. Alright, let's start up and see what we've got. Very traditional Google startup. Single camera in the front with a punch hole, and notice on the back, if you're used to Pixels, the fingerprint reader there, the fingerprint reader is right in the middle of the screen. This is all real time, so I haven't done any editing. This is getting the phone. We're going to do English. Oh, you see that as it bounces, I've just got a little haptic feedback there. Kind of cool. Get started. So just while that's doing that, I'm going to get this cable out and ready. I'm actually filming on my old phone, so I don't know if I'll be able to do this, but I might try and do a setup with the old phone while we're running this one straight through. So USB-C to USB-C. I haven't put the SIM in yet, so we'll just skip that. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Let's just do that off screen. And we're just getting your phone ready. It's a pretty simple setup. See if I can get this cable ready. So I'm just going to put this USB-C into my phone. That's why it's bouncing around a little bit while I do that. Don't get any haptic feedback this time. Feels really nice in your hand, by the way. It's not really not slippery like sometimes you get with these glass back phones. It's quite grippable, quite thin though. How's it go? Oh, yep, we're going to copy, and here we go. So the USB cable, that's just plugged into my old phone. If we can find it, there we go. Plug it in next. Oops, so the video just stopped for a second. It just asked me if I'd like to copy over my files. So now it's copying everything over. So that is pretty much getting your phone all set to go, and it's easy as that. So less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, and it's got everything you need coming across to your new phone, and essentially you'll have all your apps, data, contacts, everything that you need set up on your new phone, ready to go. Okay, so it's done a bit of thinking and it's got everything. So you can choose what you'd like to take across. For some reason I've got 157 apps. That seems like a lot. So you can choose what you want to take across and what you don't want to take across, all your settings and your call history. I'm going to take across everything because I've got plenty of room in this phone. So we'll just press copy, and away it goes, copying the data. So there's not much for you to do at this point. You just have to wait for the phone to come through. It gives you a few settings here. What do we got? Use location, yes. Allow apps and services to scan Wi-Fi networks and nearby services at any time, even while Wi-Fi Bluetooth is off. I think I'll turn that one off. Send diagnostics, yeah. Install updates, yeah. We're going to back up to Google Drive, yeah. Just set your PIN. Okay. And yeah, let's have a look at this fingerprint. So this is one of the new things on the Google phone, is on the Pixel, is the fingerprint is under the screen. So how to set up your fingerprint, you can see it there, lighting up. Alright, let's have a look. I'll go with my thumb first because that's probably going to be the one I use the most. Oh yeah, so you just get a little haptic sensor, bit of a buzz, asking me to change. Can you just see that white light that happens underneath? Just see if you can see that again. I'll set up another finger. Oh. So I'll just set up this finger and see if you can see. It's quite a bright light that comes through to read your fingerprint. You get the phone does a little buzz as it. Not doing it right. There we go. And we'll see. Oh, one more. So I've set up fingerprint. Yeah, let's continue setting things up. Hey Google, of course, we need that. I've already done this with my other Google devices, so that'll all be set up for me. Phone's getting a little hot at the second, as obviously everything's coming in. We'll skip that for the minute. Is there anything else I'd like to do? Add another email account, get instant translations, identify music around me. Yeah, let's do that. Change font size. Nope, that's all good. Done for now. Obviously you can do those settings later on. So do we want some more tips and tricks? Let's do that. So there's 9 minutes left on copying my data, but that is about set for getting your phone all ready to rock and roll. Alright, so let's just come back when that has all copied across. Finished copying everything and has just gone back to that getting the phone ready. So yeah, it's quite warm now, I must say, this phone. So after copying everything across, it's just getting everything ready for those final touches. So we'll see what happens next. Oh. Alright, so it's going to give us a bit of a tutorial on how to use this new navigation system. So we'll try it. Swipe up to go home. So just give a quick swipe to go home. Next is to learn how to go back. So to go back to the last screen, swipe from the left or right edge of the screen to the middle. Okay. And finally, to switch apps. To switch between apps, swipe up from the bottom and then hold the screen and release. So you swipe up and you can see the other ones, and then you've got your apps there. Alright, I think we're almost set up. Swipe up to go home. Alright, so we're in. This is the new Google Pixel 6 Pro. There's still something downloading there, but I think that is enough for an unboxing video. It did not take very long to get from the box, and we've got a full phone all up and running. Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed.